If you've ever wondered how to hide notes in Evernote, here's the important thing to know right away. Evernote does not currently have a true hide entire note feature or a locked folder for complete notes. But the good news is, you can still protect sensitive information inside your notes so it stays private. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and safest way to hide specific parts of a note using Evernote's encryption feature. This is perfect for things like passwords, account numbers, private reminders, financial details, or any text you don't want visible at a glance. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Evernote tips and step-by-step software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Evernote note that contains the private information you want to hide. Instead of trying to hide the entire note, you'll want to target the exact text you want to protect. Click and drag to highlight the sensitive words, sentence, or section inside the note. Once the text is selected, you're ready to encrypt it. On Windows, right-click the highlighted text and choose Encrypt Selected Text. If you prefer the keyboard shortcut, you can use Ctrl+Shift+X. On Mac, right-click the selected text and choose Encrypt Selected Text, or use Shift+Command+X. When Evernote asks for a passphrase, enter a strong one that you can remember, then confirm it carefully. This passphrase is what you'll need later if you want to reveal the text again, so make sure it's secure and stored somewhere safe. After you confirm it, Evernote will replace the selected content with an encrypted box. At this point, the private information is hidden from view, and anyone looking at the note will only see the encrypted placeholder instead of the actual text. That's the main trick for hiding sensitive content inside Evernote. If you need to view it again later, simply click the encrypted box and enter your passphrase to reveal the text. This makes it a great option when you want privacy without moving the information into a separate app. One thing to remember is that encryption works best for specific text, not for hiding entire notes. So if your goal is to keep a whole note secret, the best approach is usually to split sensitive information into a smaller section and encrypt only that part. That way, your important details stay protected while the rest of the note remains easy to use. Another helpful tip is to make your passphrase unique and strong because it adds an extra layer of security. And if you're using Evernote on multiple devices, be sure you know how to access that passphrase whenever you need it. So to recap, you can't fully hide an entire Evernote note natively, but you can hide sensitive parts of it by encrypting selected text. That gives you a simple and effective way to keep private information out of plain sight. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.